So look at this, guys. Amaran 60D. D stands for daylight. So we got this kit here from Aputure. Excited about this because it's a very small light. We'll take a look at it though. I haven't opened it yet. It comes actually in this pretty cool case. Let's see. I think we gotta open it up. Trusty knife. So let's go ahead and open that baby up. So this is, again, the Amaran 60D, daylight, 5600 Kelvin, so it doesn't really change color temperature, which is what I wanted. I wanted a nice, even light that has actually a lot of power, but compact. So it comes in this cool case. I've never even opened it, so it looks like so it's one of those like foam, got the logo up here. How do we even open this? Let's see. There we go. Wow, look at that. So this is actually a pretty cool case to stack it, probably transport it. And look how small this thing is. This is it. It's got the LCD panel over here. It's got a fan right there. On off switch, the power, the knobs. Oh, this is kind of cool. You got the little the V mount, so you can actually connect batteries if you want. So you can actually run the whole thing battery. It's got the thread right here. And if I open this, obviously it comes with a standard Bowens mount, which is very popular, and you can get obviously very affordable modifiers. So that's pretty compact and small. It's like a lens pretty much. What else comes in here? Obviously some stickers, manuals, or QR codes. Comes with this little modifier, or really reflector. It's tiny. It's probably gonna be really hot, so probably emergency only use, or if you need a spotlight. It's probably not something I want to shine out of face, but still not bad. It's plastic, obviously, and that's one of the things. This weighs nothing. Obviously, plastic, don't drop it, it'll probably break, but it's not like it's supposed to be metal. For $160, you know, what are you gonna expect, right? But this feels good. I like it. What else comes in here? We got the power supply. So that's the cord, very long cord, looks like very well made here with that power supply. And what is this? Oh, this is for the V mount. So this is where you can connect your batteries. So this goes right on the side right here, like that, and it snaps in, like that. That's pretty cool. Then this plugs into the power. You can run the whole thing off of battery. That could be very handy. And then this is the actual connector. Okay, so you connect this to the actual light in the bottom, and then you have a little stand kind of situation. You can actually hold it or connect it to a light stand as well. So this is really cool. I want to compare this to, I do have the Amaran 200, also daylight. And let me just show you the size. So you can, it's definitely weight-wise considerably smaller and weighs less. So this is the Amaran 200D. Which is a nice, you know, powerful light. Again, same material, this plastic. The LCD is obviously in the back, but just compare the size. You can really put two for the size of one, which is really cool for our travel kit. So look how small that is. I don't know if you can see that. I'm impressed. This is substantially heavier. Probably also heavier duty. It's got the nice bigger mount so you can put big modifiers. Probably don't want to put a huge modifier on this. It's got that handle, which is kind of cool. But if you look at the size, I mean, look at the power cord. Give me a second here. I'm gonna put this over here. So not only is the light considerably smaller, and let me just go ahead and put it right there, but then look at the power brick that comes with the Amaran 200. Obviously more power, but also, again, significantly more space. So from a travel perspective, if you get two of these, probably has very similar power than one of these, but two, you can actually position them in two different places, probably a lot more versatility, and you know, cheaper. I like it. So we're gonna use this for our travel when we travel. So excited. Aputure, good job. Amaran 60D. They also make an X, which is you can change the color temperature, but it's obviously not as powerful because some of the light LEDs will be used for different temperatures. So not as powerful, not as bright, but it gives you obviously more flexibility, but this is the one to get. I'm very excited about this. Looking forward to using it in the field.